All right, what's up, guys? We are here in Shawnee again, day 2 this time, not the practice session. This time, all the scores count. We are bowling for $5,000 at the PBA Regional in Shawnee, which means 8 games. They cut to 40. After another 5, they're going to cut to the top 8. So hopefully, I can put myself in a really good position to make that top 16 tomorrow after those 13 total games. But for right now, 8 games qualifying. Scores look pretty high after A squad. I think Anthony Simonson's leading, but hopefully I'll be leading after B squad. We'll see where it goes. Until then. So we are 2 games through. I shot 226 game 1, 258 game 2. I just gotta stick with the game plan, keep it simple. I'm throwing, obviously, I won't even tell you guys, you know what I'm throwing. So keeping it simple, trying to keep it a little more in front of me. First pair hooked a little bit, first pair hooked a little bit, had a little carry issues. Second pair didn't hook as much, had less carry issues. And this third pair is looking like it's hooking a lot to start. So hopefully I can make the move adjust and shoot a good score again.
Kev, how'd it do for you?
How'd it do?
How'd it do for you?
I got 187 points, terrible point total, and 257 points.
Good.
So I'm plus 44 points.
A lot of points.
A lot of opens already.
so pretty.
How do we do today?
Plus 140. So.
Did we stick to the game plan of the soft one?
I did not throw any softballs today. I
Really?
tried one game and I shot 2-0, and I was like, it's just not.
That's
it's
not it.
working.
That's
Yeah,
not it. The scores are too high.
Right. So I threw the hard ones.
All right. Well,
It worked out. So
I'm gonna stick with my soft one and hopefully strike a little more.
is it purple?
Is it purple? Game 4 is done. We're like 3.5 hours into bowling, so it's gonna take us a while to bowl, but I don't wanna hear Kevin say 8 baggers instead of spares, because I know I went 9 out, 8 bagger, but I'm still on team spares, guys. I'm still on team spares. But anyway, 257, another really good game, game 4. Just gotta keep doing it. Gotta keep making the right moves, staying in the right headspace, and I'm about 170, 180 over, and just gotta keep on plugging along and making good shots. Here's to the back 4. I need to stop missing spares. That's my second one. We're 4.5 hours in, and we're only 5 games done. And there are 6 on a pair during our squad, and there were 5 on a pair during the last squad. But our squad's bowling way better anyway, so don't matter. We switched to reactive that game, went through a couple different ones, Power Torque, Pearl. I think this game, with the fronts hooking as early as they do, I think I'm gonna throw the Power Torque Pearl. 205, not bad. I'm sitting at like 206 overall. Hopefully a good back 2 here to keep myself in the running to win this thing tomorrow. So the cut's gonna probably be around 70 or 80, at most 90. So I'm looking good for that. I just gotta hopefully get some score here the back 2 to keep myself up there on the leaderboard. key to throwing these reactive balls is first 2 frames, split. I tried 2 different balls, changed on the spare shot to a 3rd ball. And what I'm realizing is after these next 2 frames is the speed is key. The reactive ball speed is key because the first 2 frames it blew through the spot a little bit. So the key to throwing these reactive balls, I gotta manage the speed, keep it a little slower so I make sure it hooks before the end of the pattern. Otherwise, gotta keep in the back of my head, it's 44 feet. My ball's gonna try and push down lane. So I gotta keep it slow.
I'm here.
How we doing today?
89 over 7.
We're like hovering the cut.
Like covering the cut, like 10.
We need one good one.
One good one.
Yeah, I had my 2nd game today where I joined Team 8-bagger instead of Team Spare. I started off 210 or 3-7 miss, 3-6-7 miss, and then I threw the next 9 in a row. So 250 that game. I'm at 250 something over. Really good score going in. Hopefully another good one here with my Power Torque Pearl. So I told you guys that one was going to come into play. I didn't believe myself, but I told you guys, and it came true. Well, another big game the last one. We're back at the hotel now. I shot 244 the last game to put myself at 306 over. I'm sitting in like 3rd or 4th place going into tomorrow. Really good chance to chase down the leader of Stu Williams, who went 350 over. And then there's a group of us at like 300 number. So hopefully more strikes tomorrow. Got to be a little better on those ball changes, switching from urethane to reactive, recognizing when it doesn't work, when it's going to work. Because I'm not sure if they re-oil in between blocks tomorrow. We start up at 9:30. 5 games of the Cashers round, and then if you make the top 16, 8 more games. So hopefully, fingers crossed, more strikes tomorrow. Purple Hammer, Power Torque Pearl look really good today, and I got a feeling they're going to look really good tomorrow too. So I'll see you guys on tomorrow's vlog, and until then, I mean, you can subscribe if you want. If you made it this far, you might as well. But until the next one, peace.